Good morning, everyone. Have you ever wondered what your life will be like in the future? Will you become a doctor, an engineer, a teacher, or maybe an entrepreneur? Today, I am going to discuss the future tense, which helps us talk about our dreams, plans, and predictions. The future tense is used for actions that will happen later. The most common structure is will plus base verb. We use will for predictions, promises, and quick decisions. For example, I will help my friends whenever they need me, and I think technology will make our lives easier. We also use be going to when we already have a plan or intention. For example, I am going to improve my English by practicing every day, and my family is going to visit Murray during the holidays. Another way to talk about the future is the present continuous, which is used for fixed arrangements. For example, I am meeting my teacher tomorrow, and we are traveling next Friday. The future tense is not only about grammar, it is about hope and ambition. Every successful person once had a dream about the future. I believe that if we work hard today, we will achieve our goals tomorrow. The future tense is not only about grammar, it is about hope and ambition. Every successful person once had a dream about the future. I believe that if we work hard today, we will achieve our goals tomorrow. I will continue learning, reading, and speaking English because it will help me communicate confidently with people around the world. In conclusion, the future tense allows us to express our goals, promises, and expectations. So let us use it to speak about a bright future with confidence. Thank you for listening. And remember, your future starts with what you do today.